Hey guys, welcome to this Amazon Prime guide, and here I'll detail how to download Amazon Prime in iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and then you want to start using the Amazon Prime video on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to download Amazon Prime on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Then once you open the App Store, search for Amazon Prime Video. Then once you search for Amazon Prime Video, wait for the page to load and then click on the first result, which is Amazon Prime Video. Then here is the interface of the Amazon Prime Video on your Apple Store. Go ahead and click on the Get button. Once you hit the Get button, you should see part that says Install Amazon Prime Video. Go ahead and click on Install. Once you tap Install button, go ahead and type in your Apple account password. So here, I'm just going to go ahead now, type in my Apple account password. Once you type in your Apple account password, go ahead and click on the sign in button. Once you hit the sign in button, this is going to confirm your Apple ID account password. And once it's confirmed, the Amazon Prime Video will start downloading. So this might take a couple of seconds depending on the strength of your internet connection. And once the Amazon Prime Video download is completed, then you can now go back to either the app menu to open the Amazon Prime, or go to the app library to open the Amazon Prime. Or better still, you can just go back to the App Store on your iPhone and select the open button on the Amazon Prime. Now, once you hit the open button, you should see the Amazon Prime opened on your iPhone. Then you may choose to allow Amazon Prime to find device network location. You may choose to allow or don't allow. Then here, you then need to create a new Amazon account or sign in as an existing Amazon account user. So that is basically how to download Amazon Prime Video in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.